Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video. Now, there's no disputing how bad the drivers are in Florida. Now, on the first clip you're going to see today, deputies in Hillsborough County tried to pull over a car, but the person decided he was going to flee. The aviation unit actually filmed the pursuit and the crash that happened. And also on the second clip, you're going to actually see we're in Volusia County, Florida, where a deputy was doing traffic control, and they were with a radar, and they actually clocked one person doing 130 mile an hour in a 70 zone, and they clocked another person doing over 90 in a 70 zone. Anyway, it just shows you how bad the drivers are in Florida. So let's go ahead and take a look at
breaking Castlewood Road right now. We're going to be continuing westbound 92. And units, just be prepared to fall back a little bit. You got sticks ahead at the bridge, sticks ahead. He's got traffic coming. He's going to be in the eastbound lanes. Good sticks again. Continuing westbound 92.
Miles an hour. 130.
Howdy.
Morning, sir.
What do you think your speed was? I'll tell you what I had yet after you tell me what you think you had.
I'll let you tell me.
I had 130. Yeah. It is, but yeah, dude, please slow down, all right?
Yes, sir.
Just takes a second. I know everybody hears that and they're like, it will never happen to me, but it really does just take a second for something bad to happen. And at that speed, man, I don't know. Pray to God, maybe you survive it. You got a pup back there, but all right, please drive safely, okay?
I will, no problem.
All right, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Morning, Deputy Myers Sheriff's Office. The reason I'm stopping you today is for the speed. I was actually going after someone else, but since you decided to do 105 past me, I'm stopping you instead of them. You have your license on you?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm just having like a really stressful week and going to work right now. And, you know, testosterone sometimes like that. And I apologize, sir. I just saw that truck speeding up and I thought you were going to try to pass me, so I just...
No, I was actually trying to go after another violator that was doing 92 miles an hour.
I'm going to admit that was really stupid of me.
Yeah, probably not the best decision today.
It's called essentially impeding traffic, camping in the left lane. This left lane is intended for passing vehicles. It's not intended just to sit here and drive and do 70 in. Did you see all the cars going around you? Yeah, so slower vehicles need to keep to the right, either in that far right lane or the middle lane.
Yeah, my name's Sergeant Wingard with the Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped is we're doing 90 and a 70.
I was going to slow traffic. Sorry.
Well, you were actually catching everybody. Well, I know you caught it. So anyway, speed limit's only 70. We were doing 90, and you were the fastest one. That's why I pulled you over.
So the speed limit actually through that stretch back there is 65. I know it's typically 70, but it is 65. I had you at 91. So I gave you the benefit of the doubt the first time I saw you on your phone, okay? I watched you put it down. I'm like, okay, maybe she's done with it. You just picked it up again and started using it while you're driving on the interstate, okay? All right, that's a no-no.